If your diesel engine is acting sluggish, coughing out smoke on startup, or just feels like it has completely lost its mojo on the highway, you might be dealing with a fuel starvation issue that is triggering code P008A. This code stands for low pressure fuel system pressure too low. Think of your fuel system like a high-end restaurant kitchen. The high pressure injection pump is the head chef who needs ingredients instantly to cook the meal, which is the power your engine generates. But before the chef can work, someone has to bring the ingredients from the pantry. That is your low-pressure fuel pump's job. If that pump gets lazy, or if the delivery line gets clogged, the chef cannot cook, and your engine goes into a forced limited power mode to save itself. This isn't just about going slow. Driving a diesel with fuel starvation causes air pockets in the lines, which can destroy your expensive injectors. So where do we start? First, trust your nose. Diesel has a very distinct smell, so sniff around for leaks. A rusted line, a cracked filter housing, or even a bad O-ring can let air in and fuel out. If you don't smell anything, go straight to the fuel filter. This is the most common culprit. If you cannot remember the last time you changed it, or if you have filled up at a sketchy gas station recently, swap that filter out immediately. Dirty fuel is a silent killer for these systems. If the filter is fresh, you need to check the lift pump itself, which is often on the frame rail near the tank. Listen for it humming when you turn the key on. If it is silent or making a struggling noise, it might be on its way out. Also, check the lines for kinks. Something as simple as a bent line from road debris can choke off the fuel supply. Do not ignore this code, because starving a diesel engine of fuel is the fastest way to turn a minor repair into a massive engine rebuild bill.